The Hyunmoo-2A, developed right here in South Korea, is the cornerstone of our strategic defense and national security. The Hyunmoo-2A stands as a testament to our indigenous missile program, significantly enhancing South Korea's ballistic capabilities. The Hyunmoo-2A's estimated range, highlighted in red on the map, ensures comprehensive strategic coverage and maintains our deterrence posture in the region.
The TEL's mobility is unmatched, as you can see by these heavy-duty tires. The hydraulic system allows for rapid deployment.
The sleek design of the nose cone is optimized for aerodynamics. The structure of the main body is reinforced, and the base...
The navigation system utilizes a triple redundant inertial measurement unit, ensuring pinpoint accuracy throughout the trajectory.
This system utilizes an advanced solid fuel propulsion technology, allowing for unparalleled readiness.
This missile is the cornerstone of our national defense strategy, ensuring peace through strength. It represents the ultimate deterrence capability.
The key to the rapid deployment is the suspension. It ensures stability and mobility across this challenging terrain.
As the launcher reaches vertical, we initiate the primary venting sequence. This depressurizes the main column before the final alignment check.
Is this dating? Let's look at the specifications. The structural composition is a reinforced carbon fiber, which keeps the weight down to just over...
Comparing the Hyunmoo-2A with its predecessor, the advancements in both range and accuracy are clear. This successful test confirms its enhanced capabilities.
As you can see, the operational deployment of this system allows for unprecedented flexibility in the field, securing our interests abroad.
This section houses the guidance systems. The real breakthrough is in these new sensor arrays, which are fully radiation.
We're reporting live from the tarmac, where this massive vehicle is set to demonstrate its night launch capabilities, a critical step for the program.
This is the Hyunmoo-2A, representing a critical step in the modernization of our defense technology. The indigenous engineering principles we are discussing today are not relics of the past. As you can see behind me,
the eastern flank is vulnerable. We need to divert the 3rd Battalion to this choke point immediately to cut off their supply lines.
Here we see the TEL effortlessly crossing this challenging terrain. The articulated suspension ensures maximum...
We engage the activation lever, and the system begins its ascent. The piston extends smoothly, achieving full vertical alignment as demonstrated here.
The control launch protocols are activated. We are running the final safety sequence now. All systems must show green before T-10.
The command chain displayed here demonstrates our streamlined process. This directly translates to the heightened operational readiness metrics you see on the board.
When it comes to global security, quick reaction deployment isn't optional. It is the defining factor in modern defense strategies.
The primary improvement is the integration of the new targeting array. This allows for unparalleled precision, even in adverse conditions.
The Hyunmoo-2A provides a decisive strategic advantage. With its extended range and pinpoint accuracy,